Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix DoorDash app not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you could do to actually fix this issue. So one of those things is you have to ensure that you have the latest version of the DoorDash mobile application. Sometimes not having the latest version can actually affect the performance of the app, so make sure that you update it. So visit Google Play Store or the App Store and see if you have the latest version and install it. Now in this case, once you're sure that you have the latest version and it is still not working, well, the next thing that you could do here is probably clear your cache. Now to do that, locate the DoorDash mobile application, press and hold on it, go to app info, and from here, click on the option that says clear data at the bottom right. Now from here, click on the option that says clear cache, click on OK, and from here, you could go and exit this one, open up DoorDash, and see if that solves your issue. Now in this case, this would actually most likely solve your problem, but if not, there's going to be still a few things that you could check here. Now in this case, if this still does not work, the next thing that we would actually suggest you try doing is to uninstall DoorDash and reinstall it again. Sometimes a good reinstall, since deleting all the files, could actually help you have a fresh start of files, meaning most likely the bugs that you've encountered would be fixed once you reinstalled it. Now in this case, once we've done that, see if that solves your issue. But if not, the final solution that we could do here is basically wait. Sometimes there are going to be issues on the servers for DoorDash, meaning the problem itself is from DoorDash themselves. Now, meaning the problem is not caused by you, we just need to wait for them to actually fix it. Now, for you to actually view it, you could use Google here and see if there are any down or server issues for DoorDash. In this case, go ahead and type in the following: DoorDash is it down. Just press on enter. And from here, go ahead and click on the down detector here. And whenever you see a huge spike on the graph on this website here, it means that there's a lot of problems right now on DoorDash. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of spikes right now for DoorDash. So it means that currently a lot of users or a lot of people are actually experiencing issues. It means DoorDash is on the way on fixing this issue. And from here on, you just need to wait. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.